So now in this video, we're going to make a circuit with a light that fades off. Again, last video was the NPN bipolar junction transistor. Now we're using the PNP bipolar junction transistor, the 2N3906. So you can make the same circuits with the PNP bipolar junction transistor as the NPN bipolar junction transistor. So you see it fading now. When I press the button, the LED turns on almost instantly right there, and the capacitor charges almost instantly. So we got this path there. Small emitter to base current can flow, and also we got positive coming to the positive side of the capacitor, and ground right there, so that the capacitor can charge up. And when we release the switch now, so the switch is not providing any current anymore. It's like none of this exists. The capacitor has a small amount of current going to the emitter there because it's not a very large capacitor, and it's a somewhat high value resistor right there. We're getting about 200, maybe 300 times as much current going from the emitter, the top pin up there, down to the collector, the bottom pin. Make sure you put the LED in the right way. Short lead cathode always has to go towards more negative. I switched the order there, doesn't matter. We're protecting it with the 220 ohm resistor, probably getting about 15 milliamps of current maximum. Of course, it's going down when the LED is fading. So the capacitor has a small amount of current. It's getting closer and closer to zero, even though we got 200, 300 times as much current going through here. As that goes down, so does this one. When this one gets down to about 0 amps of current, that one will as well.